let me tell you a story about just how frustrating Canadian immigration can be. But don't worry, this one has a happy ending. Meet my client Amit. He had one simple dream to bring his sister and her family to Canada for a short visit. Nothing big, just a few weeks of quality time reconnecting with loved ones. But things didn't go as planned. Amit's sister applied for a visitor visa with her family. It was rejected. They tried again, thinking it must have been a misunderstanding. Rejected again. When Amit came to me for help, he was frustrated but still hopeful. I reviewed their applications and spotted some areas for improvement. We fixed them and reapplied. Rejected again. This was the third refusal now. I knew the application was strong and there was no basis for the refusal. So we decided to fight back. We filed for judicial review in federal court. This is where you challenge the immigration officer's decision, arguing that their reasons were not reasonable or legally justified. Here's the kicker. The refusal letter doesn't tell you the real story. The true reasons are hidden in the officer's internal notes, called GCMS notes. When we got the notes, it was clear. The refusal was weak and the officer's reasoning didn't hold up. After discussions with the IRCC lawyer, we reached the settlement. The refusal was cancelled and the application was sent back to be reviewed by a new officer. Victory, right? Nope. It was rejected again. At this point, Amit was devastated. After a successful court challenge, approvals are usually a given unless there's a clear reason not to be approved. But there wasn't here. Amit's family was being unfairly caught in a system that just wasn't working. So we did what we had to do. We went back to the federal court. Same arguments, same fight. And guess what? We won. Again, we reached a settlement. The application was reopened and processed in a record time, 4 days. And this time, it was finally approved. The hoops we had to jump through here, unbelievable. Amit's family didn't deserve this. They were clearly genuine visitors with no intentions of overstaying or violating their visa conditions. They just wanted to be together as a family for a few weeks. If you've had a visa refused before, don't lose hope. There are ways to turn things around. This story is an extreme example, but it shows that persistence and the right help can make all the difference. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this story in the comments below.